Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video of Yummy Bakes. Today's recipe is an Arabic dessert. Before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now, I know some of you are searching for a dessert or a dish for Eid. That's why today I'm gonna show you how to make kunafa. Now let's prepare the kunafa. First, take 250 gram of kunafa dough, must be defrosted. Now loosen the dough by cutting. You can also use food processor. Now keep the loosened kunafa dough in a bowl. Now add 50 grams of melted butter on the dough and mix well. Now the kunafa dough is ready. In another small bowl, add 1 tablespoon corn flour and 2 teaspoons all-purpose flour. Then add 1/4 cup milk and mix well until the lumps are gone. Now take a pot and keep it on flame. Then add 1 cup milk and 3 to 4 tablespoons sugar and mix well. Then pour the corn flour mixture and mix till the lumps are gone. When it starts boiling and gets thick, add 3 triangle cheese or 3 tablespoon cream cheese and mix again until the cheese melts. Now the cream filling for the kunafa is ready. Before layering the kunafa, preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Now grease a pan with butter. Layer half of the kunafa dough and level it out by pressing. Now pour the cream mixture. If you want, you can add some mozzarella cheese on top as well. Now again layer rest of the kunafa dough on top. Now bake the kunafa at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes or till the top of the kunafa turns golden brown. While the kunafa is baking, we can make the sugar syrup. Take a pot, add half cup sugar, 1 cup water and 2 cardamom and boil it. When it starts boiling, add juice of half a lemon and mix well. When the syrup becomes string consistency, switch off the flame. Now our sugar syrup is ready. By this time, the kunafa will also be ready. Decorate the kunafa if you want. Pour the sugar syrup on top of the kunafa and enjoy. As usual, do try this at your home and comment down below. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out any new videos. Thank you for watching today's video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.